Alright, Tuesday morning. We're starting to re-roof this morning. It's an all hip house. I'll walk you around it here. Two little valleys in the front, about 15 feet long. Another one in the back. Pretty easy house. Boys are prepping right here. Don't fall. Careful, careful. That guy took a spill on the roof the other day. Decking gave way on him and his leg went through it. So, got our shingles there. Little flat deck. I ain't doing anything to it. But I'll be back when these boys get to nailing. Been about 30 minutes. I'm out of breath, but we got this side roofed. That's probably about 5 or 6 squares we got down here. Boys gonna start tearing this front off. It's probably, let's count here, 3, 6, probably about 12 or 13 squares up here. Between 10 and 13 somewhere. So, be back when they're doing that.
Man, I don't know.
Go ahead.
I don't know why, but I love that I pick roofing for a living.
It's good for you. Keep you in shape. Could be. There's plenty of farms around here to go to work if you want to go to work.
Have you ever left? I think I asked you already, but have you ever left the country anywhere else?
Mexico.
Mexico?
Yeah, I used to go to Mexico all the time. I got hit by a car in Tijuana. They left me to die in an alley. I'm serious.
No way.
Yeah, I'll show you on my head. Alright, boys gotta have this front off and prep. I am going to take off. I have things to do. So I'm gonna let them get at it without me bothering them. As much as they love me, they hate me to be here. I'll come back either later today or in the morning. I got some appointments this afternoon, so unroofing related. Trailer's getting about half full. Alright, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The boys just got back from lunch. This is the first side they did this morning. We're leaving these lapped over because there's a rainstorm about an hour away getting ready to hit us. So we're trying not to open up nothing major, but they got it roofed over here on the front side of the house. It's pretty good. Weatherwood's this color. We're going to leave this big side because of the rain that's near. We don't want to open up this valley because of the rain that's near. So the boys are over here working on about a 3 or 4 square side. Something they can get roofed back in pretty easy before the rain hits. So, like I said, that's the direction the weather comes at us from over here. And it's getting pretty dark over there. I just looked at the radar. We're about 20 miles from the Oklahoma border. And the storm's in Oklahoma on the border heading this direction. So there's Limpy. Stuck his foot through some decking the other day and fell. But he's tough, he can take it. But anyways, yeah, the guys are just gonna get this side done and then probably check the weather again. So I'll be back when there's a little bit more going on. Alright, day 2 on this job. This is what the boys got done yesterday. All this roof. They got the other side of that roof right over there on the other side of that hip where you can't see. We're going to get this house done today. Got about to get hit by some rain. Look over there. That's looking west. We got a little thin line of thunderstorms coming. So the boys pulled this off. They're going to hurry up and get it papered back in before the rain gets here. So they got something to work on as soon as that rain's gone, which is only going to rain for probably 20 or 30 minutes. It's windy this morning. It's a bit chilly again. The camera's shaking. I'm shaking. I don't have much fat on my body, so I get cold pretty easy. Careful! That side he's walking on, this roof has a lot of granule loss. Let me show you guys. You look close, you can just see this granule loss on this roof is terrible. I mean, watch with my hand around this, you can just see the salt, or the sand just rolling under my fingers. It was hit by hail, so that's good because that gave us a chance to re-roof it. But I'll be back when these guys get the papering. I just loaded up all the edge metal into my truck. I save it for my neighbor. He recycles it. I try to keep as much stuff out of landfill as I can. Boy, just got this prepped and they're starting to shingle. Got that storm coming. Right over there on the other side of that trees. Gonna be hitting us here in just a few minutes. Let me turn on my phone, I'll show you what we're dealing with. Oh, come on, phone. My dang Wi-Fi is trying to click on. There it is. Where's that blue dot? Right there. And that's the storm about to hit us. It's going to last maybe 15 minutes or so. We haven't had any rain for about a month. And now it's gonna rain on my job. Roof's looking good. Boys said they'll have it done today. So 2 days on this job. Seems to be about our average. They're knocking these houses out in about 2 days. After this one, I got 5 houses lined up for the same customer. We'll be able to just hit those boom, 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 one right after another. So I'll be back in a bit. This little bit of the inside over here is the last we got done to do right here. So after they get that other side right over there on the other side of that hip done. But I'll be back. Alright, I'm up on the roof. It's about 3 in the afternoon. The boys have got all the shingles on. They just got to get the ridge done. But paint the pipes, caulk the exposed nails, things like that. But they kicked ass on this house. Got a guy up front doing a couple bird boxes. Let's go peek over the edge at him. Got one there, got one over there. 2 bird boxes in the ridge cap. You see nice straight courses. These boys always lay them straight. No lines whatsoever except for on the ridge cap. You got a crew that knows how each of them works, how each of them lays shingles. You don't need lines. Can't find a crooked row on this roof. Metal box vents. I don't like them cheap plastic ones. Like I said, paint these couple of stacks, these few pipes, clean the ground, lay the ridge cap, and we're out of here. But I'll probably come back in the morning just to inspect everything. I'll give you a shot of it when it's finally done. Till then. Alright, boys are slapping on the ridge caps. Customer just paid me. I'm a happy guy.
En la portería de Ter Stegen estaban y de Ter Stegen en la despeja y él tiene que coger el gol. Ah, pero ese es jugar bien, es no tener suerte. Ese es jugar bien, es no tener suerte. Ese es jugar bien. Suerte solo tiene en Madrid, ajá, el suerte lo tiene en Madrid. Eso es un pedazo de jugada, un pedazo de equipo, el Barça.
Alright, the boys are finishing up the ridge cap right now. I'll leave that sign in the yard for a little bit. I'm not going to climb back up there, but I'll give you guys a shot over here. Good looking roof. It's all done except for the ridge cap. Like I said earlier, I've got 5 houses lined up, so we're going to start busting them out. Adios, amigos!
Till next time!
Next week! Boys Just gotta get this garbage cleaned up, but until the next roof, peace out everyone.